Yo, what is up, Rhinelanders? Welcome back to Live with Ryland. Yeah, so today is actually a really important video. I'm gonna be telling you guys how to avoid the flu this flu season. Because if you guys know, the flu season is the worst that it's been in a while. So yeah, let's get to it. Step 1 is to always continue to wash your hands like throughout the day after you eat, before you eat, after you touch up someone, just like that. It's very easy. I'll show you a demonstration. So yeah, guys, that's step number 1. Step number 2 is not to eat after people. Hey Bill, you want some goldfish? They're really good. Nah, you can keep them. I don't want to catch the flu. Number 3, don't drink after people. Mouths and stuff, yeah. Okay, Bill, what about this water? It's really good and nutritious for you. Again, I don't want to catch the flu. Get your water out of here. Number 4, don't play console hockey. So, yeah. That's all I'm going to say about that. You guys can figure out what that is. I don't have, a partner to demonstrate that with, so, yeah, on to step 5. Step 5, make sure to wipe down your electronics, anything with the screen, with some disinfecting wipes. Sponsored by Members Mark. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Wow, bro, this is so dirty. Much better. Ooh. Ooh. And finally, step number 6 is to always use hand sanitizer. Okay. I don't have any with me right now, but as you guys know, if you guys go to school, there's always hand sanitizer everywhere. So before class, after class, just pour a little bit on your hand, and you're good to go. Rub it all around, and then ready to go to your next class, and bam. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much all for this video. Make sure to do all those 6 steps, and you will have a way better chance of not catching the flu. Actually, no, 100% chance of not catching the flu at all. So yeah. Make sure to share this with your friends, everybody you know, so they can be informed of how to not get the flu, okay? This is actually very serious. So yeah, that's all. Make sure to like and comment and share and yeah, and subscribe. This is